Debt is knowledge. Knowledge is wealth. But how many of us would see this all as wealth? Star worship, television, the internet have all destroyed our truer understandings of what wealth really is. Wealth is not about what you've got, it's about what you make of what you've got. Sharing is a key factor. Being grateful for what you have is a key factor. Today you have somewhere to sleep. Tomorrow you may not. I am the wealthiest person in the world. I have a shelter over my head. I have whānau and friends that love me. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I worked for it. Ko te ringaringa o te ahu whenua, ka whiwhi e te taonga. How can an abundance of valuable possessions determine wealth when the smallest of taonga are enough riches for the whole tribe? Ahakoa iti, he pono. Kia ora.